What is a multiple? A multiple is any number that you get as the result of multiplying a number by an integer. What does that mean? That sounds kind of confusing. Well, the example I have here in our notes is 12 is a multiple of 3. 12 is a multiple of 3 because 3 4 times gives us 12. So that means if you were to skip count by 3, you'd say 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. And how did we get there? We added 3, and then we added 3 more, then we added 3 more, and then we added 3 more. It gave us 12. So a multiple is just basically skip counting by an integer. Let's look at another example. We can say that 24 is a multiple of 6. Why? Because 6 4 times gives us 24. Well, let's see what that means in terms of the multiples of 6. Well, let's just do the first 4 multiples of 6. 6 1 time is 6, 6 2 times is 12, 6 3 times is 18, and 6 4 times is 24. So we can say that 24 is a multiple of 6. We can also say 6 is a factor of 24. 6 is a factor of 24 because it goes into 24 4 times. And we can also say that 6 is a divisor of 24. We can divide 24 up 6 ways to get a 4. So that's the short video on what is a multiple.